Hello. Today we're gonna open this box. I'm so excited to open it. It's a VEVOR. I hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. And this is a heat press, 15 for 15 inches. So let's see what it is and what it comes inside. And we're gonna do a little review. Let's see. So this is the only thing that you have to connect is this handle. It comes with all the hardware and everything. It goes over here. I don't know if you guys can see the little holes over here, but this goes over here. Super easy to install. And that's it. Everything else comes as you see it here. You don't have to do anything else. So that's very cool. So I'm gonna do this handheld so you guys can see it closer. This is the machine. Here's your dials and everything. It's not plugged yet, so I would recommend something like this, like this kind of machine, to connect it directly to your wall. Don't connect it to a outlet, multi-outlet, because this is a lot of electricity. So just be careful and try to connect it directly to your wall. And this is it. Let's open it. Wow, amazing. So this machine has a bottom here, so you can turn it on. So here it is, it's on. So here, following the instructions, if you press OK, right, once, you will see a P1 and then the temperature. You can here, put the temperature you want. Let's see that you want 345. You just put that and press enter. This machine has an alarm as well. So if you want that, just press OK and OK again. You see a P2, and then here you can put whatever. Let's say that you want 15 seconds. Just press that, press OK. Other thing that I see in the instructions is that you have to have the machine closed while the machine gets heated. I'm sorry. So keep that in mind. So while the the machine gets heat up and everything, we're gonna do a little project in my computer. So follow me over there. Okay, so here we are. We are in the Cricut design space. I designed some some things here that is going for my cousin, and it's his birthday. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is all text from here, and some the mouse and the head is coming from my cousin. So I don't know where she took it from, but this is my design, and we're not gonna talk about the design. But anyways. I have a couple designs here, so this is not just this one over here, but the one that I'm going to work with you guys is this one. So you guys have an idea how to, how the machine, the heat press machine works. So I'm going to press make it. So this Cricut design space decide to change some of my mats for a bigger size. That I don't mind because I have it, so it's actually pretty nice. I have the bigger size. I'm going to press OK here. Make sure to have your mirror on if you're working with iron on. Now that we're here, I'm going to select the everyday iron on. If you don't have it in favorite, you can always go to browse all materials and you will grab it from there. Like always, it says here, make sure the mirror is on, because like I told you, if you're dealing with iron on, most of the time, I mean, I always read your instructions, but most of the time, iron on, it will, will tell you to mirror your image, right? And make sure to, to have the Chinese side down. But we will see that briefly. And that's it. Let's go to the machine and I will show you guys what we're gonna do. So here you can see both of the mats. This is the 12 by 12, of course, the smaller one. And this is the 12 by 24. So this is the one that I'm gonna use. It's convenient for me for this project. If you don't want to waste that much paper, you don't have to do the way that I'm doing it. But again, this is not a video for this design and explaining this. But let's keep going. We finally can start making the shirt. This is a small shirt, so it's for a 1-year-old kid. So I'm sure he's gonna like it. I just want to make sure to clean the shirt first. I'm gonna preheat my shirt because that's what the instruction says for my iron on. Read your instruction, of course. Everybody use different ones, but mine says to preheat the shirt for 5 seconds. Now we're gonna start building the shirt. And this is how the finished product of my shirt. I love it. I'm so in love with the shirt. This machine makes everything so easy because you don't have to be like the other ones that you have to be pressing. You don't know if you're pressing too hard or you're like in medium pressure, you don't know. So with this machine, it's perfect. It will lock in. You can do something else while your machine is heating your iron. So it's amazing and I love it. I don't know why I didn't have a machine like this before, but I love it. I love it. I really do. And it was way easier to adjust my design and make sure that it was in the middle. It was so much easier with this machine. So I really do recommend it and I love it. And I'm sure my cousin would love this shirt. I can't wait for him to see it. So if you like this video, please press like, share, and like always, God bless you. See you in the next video.